Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford F-350. Stock number is 18B145A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch as well as rear backup sensors and a camera. Spraying in bed liner is going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Also has your climate controls with dual heated and cooled seats. And your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-350 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.